So off we set on our 30-mile crossing to Dokos, with the forecast of building winds. Everybody had a great chance to sail on this trip. It was great to see both the girls playing with the wind, brushing up on some new skills and refreshing on some things from last year. As predicted, the winds picked up and things got a little bit more challenging. I was trying to keep my heading for the Spetsi channel, and it gave me a good chance because I had to keep reefing in to try and stop the boat from putting it too far sideways to discomfort all through. So you know, it's a good challenge for me. Really enjoyed it. This was actually the third time we've been to Dokos on a supposed overnight stay. The last few times it's been cancelled because of the weather, and with the winds picking up, you know, 4-6, we weren't really kind of optimistic that it was going to still happen. But it all turned out well. Nico and Cami, the lead crew on Calypso from Greek Sails, made a great call, and we were all rafted up here in the northeast wind, and really lovely little place. And the guys were setting up for a beach party on the island you can see there behind, and made a pontoon out of our tenders and gangplanks. And, made a little walkway, as you can see here, across to the island. Everyone carried some food across, and yeah, we settled in for a lovely evening, and yeah, this place was a little bit of a pirate island, and some of the crew christened it Dead Dokos before we got there, and it did seem kind of appropriate having a little wander around. The sunset was absolutely fantastic. Seeing those yachts there all rafted up like that, with the sun going down, and everyone having a glass of wine, a beer, a great little spread that everybody laid on. And, all the boats pitched in and came up with some different food from the maritime thing. You see here we've got kind of squids in nets, and there's banana dolphins, little sailboats, and it's just insane. And the fantastic punch as well that we had. And now our last leg back to Poros. Great to see how relaxed everybody's here. First time I've been sailing on cruises like this with such a fresh cargo, and you know, it come out okay. And the best thing is, they were still talking to me.